Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Dhgate. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Klarna app. So once you open up to your Klarna app, what you're going to do, go to stores and then search for the store that you want to use Klarna with. So for example, here in this case Dhgate, so I'm going to search that, and then once you search that, select the store. And then once you get to here, so what you're going to do now is you're going to create a digital card or a prepaid card with Klarna that you can use when you check out. So you're going to click on create digital card, and then add in the value that you wish to, any value depending on your purchase. For example, I'll put 10 here, hit on continue. All right, so what you're going to do is that you're going to create this digital card, this digital prepaid card, and then add it to your you can hit on continue, add it to your GPay, and then you can just use it for checkout. So hit on confirm, and then once you hit on confirm here, so that's your payment plan, everything that's fine. And also what you're going to do, you're going to wait for till it's created. So once has been created, for example here the card has been created. So what I'm going to do now here, this is my digital card. Okay, so that's my digital card here. So I'm going to click on it. So what I can do now here, so I can use this card and then check out at the store, and also I can simply, what I can do to make it easier, I can simply add it to my Google Pay. So click on, I've already added to my Google Pay, so otherwise you can just hit on add to Google Pay, and then this will be added to your Google Pay, and then when you check out, you can just check out with your Google Pay, as your Google Pay is connected to this Klarna. Or else when you make an online purchase, you can also check out with Google Pay, the same thing, or you can also check out with the Visa card option, because this is also a Visa cards with these card details. You can just plug that in and then check out. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.